Okay, I'm going to, I'm again going to raise the matter that if you are fixing accountability and you're saying that it may be the fault of the actor, the movie management, the theatre management, why are you apprehensive when questions are being raised on the law and order agencies in Hyderabad as well? I have with me Professor Jyotsna Tirunagari. She is the TDP spokesperson. Professor Jyotsna, what is your view on the subject?
See, first thing is matter is sub judice, so I think we all have to maintain a restraint when we are talking on this particular matter. First thing. Second thing is, Allu Arjun, yes, he is a star, nobody is denying it, and he is the A11, if I'm not wrong, in this particular case. My question is, where are the remaining 10? First, I think police has announced that we have arrested around 7 or 8. I don't know, there is no written statement from the police on this till now. And Megha, the point that I'm worried about is, yes, whoever is taking such kind of incidents, events organizers or whatnot, all are responsible for this. It's a collective effort that when things like this happen, all of us have to be collectively putting our efforts in making an event successful and safe and secured for the people who are involved in that particular event. Here, there are 3 aspects to it. One, the theatre management. Because the theatre management is the management which has in fact called upon or the hero, heroine would come or whatnot. However it goes, I don't know about the process, but yes, they are the first ones who should, like, let's assume tomorrow somebody else, let's say the Chief Minister of Telangana, Mr. Revant Reddy, he goes somewhere. Let's assume he goes somewhere. He's sitting there he goes for a meeting. Isn't it the basic responsibility of, because he's the Chief Minister, yes, he's a celebrity as well. So, isn't it the basic responsibility of the local police and the concerned police officials to provide proper security there, to provide proper security measures there? Will you blame the responsibility on Revant Reddy if something bad happens? First thing. Second question is, it's not one individual who's involved here. Sandhya Theatre management, the police officials, and the personal security and the event organizers. Definitely we have to take to task each and every person. My question here, Megha, is, which I'm really not happy about, I would say. Yesterday, see, why did it take a political turn? I'll tell you. Yesterday morning, the police went and said, no, you are accused. We have to talk to you. We have to investigate and we have to talk to you. Probably you will even be arrested. Yes, fine. Whoever it is, आप हो या मैं हूँ या श्याम प्रसाद जी हो या फिर कस्तूरी जी हो, कोई भी हो, गलती करोगे. If you are in a case that you are involved, yes, you will be questioned, no doubt about that. And Allu Arjun was also questioned on that. Yes, we accept that. He was taken into detention. Yes, we accept that. But the statements after that. Yesterday, Mr. Revant Reddy was in the country capital. He attended a conclave of a particular national media. In that national media, he says, करोड़ों रुपए कमाते हैं, किसके लिए करते हैं? भाई एक चीज समझ लो आप. This is a collective thing. Do not pass on the buck on anybody.
Okay.
It's your failure.
Okay.
Your police failure.
Okay.
Yes,
all right.
is also responsible.
All right.
One
point
second,
made.
Megha.
Professor Jyotsna, point. Yeah, you made your point.
Please.
You made your point.
Let me complete.
You made your point.
Let me complete.
Yeah.
Megha, let me complete. I am not here to defend Allu Arjun. I am not here to defend anybody because I see children, 2 young children who lost a mother. A person lost his wife. We see a young life lost there. A woman who came out with her family lost her life because of a useless and inefficient system. I'm very worried about that.